In this video, I'll show you how to write fractions in Google Docs, like this. To write fractions, go to the View option and click on Show Equation toolbar. You'll see a new option box appear. Click on New Equation. Click on the drop-down arrow. Under Math Operations, you'll find the option A divided by B. Click on it. When the cursor is at the numerator, you can type anything you want in the numerator. To type in the denominator, press the forward arrow key on your keyboard to move the cursor down, then type whatever you want in the denominator. And that's how you can type fractions in Google Docs. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.